So say you have an older Model Y and you don't want to jump up to the new Model Y. There happens to be one same color in the showroom here that we're putting PPF on the entire car. But this, say you have an older one that you want it to look kind of like the new one. So HANSSHOW has sent out these mirror cap covers that look just like the new ones. Let me show you these. These are made in carbon fiber, real carbon fiber, but these look just like the new ones. These will fit right over top of the painted cap. All you do is pull the tape off, drop it right down in there, and it looks really good. Looks like the new Model Y at this point. Back here, the lights are totally different. You have this old style light where there's two lights on either side, nothing in between. Well, there's a fix for that too. These right here from HANSSHOW. This is a light bar. A new tail light on either side, plus a bar that goes across. It has a lot of animations to it, something totally different than what the factory one has. The factory one is kind of cool how it just kind of waterfalls down. The light just shines on the Tesla logo, but this is something different. We're going to install this today. I'm going to show you how this works, and then I'm going to show you the animation, because I've done this on my last Model Y and it was really cool. I like how when you hit the brakes or start the car up, it has a huge animation, and a lot of people like it. So let's get going. For the mirror caps, we're going to clean this, but I want to pull off all this backing tape first. I'm going to show you a little trick how to put these on. It's really not that difficult. All right, so now all this is off. You want to clean this really good, get all the bugs off, get any ceramic coating that you might have on there, whatever, waxes. You get a lot of alcohol on the rag. I actually want to keep the alcohol on here, so I'm going to get ready while this is wet. Slide this right over top, force all the way down. So the alcohol will help let this slide into place, and then once it dries, that tape is just going to grab on super tight. I want to keep forcing down so it stays in place, and then I'm going to get some tape and kind of hold this down while it adheres all the way. I just let that sit for about an hour or so, and you're all set. So the mirrors were the easy part. We have to disassemble a lot here. You're going to pull this off first, pull this down so you can get to these tail lights. This comes off by pulling this off and getting behind here. There's two bolts. It takes a little bit to get that off. And then, of course, we're going to clean this area really good with alcohol, connect the two together. But the hard part really is you got to get these lights to talk to these lights. So we have to run cabling through here, up to here, and all the way to this one, to this one. That's going to be the hard part. That's what I'm going to be working on. So I'm going to show you some of the disassembly, and then once this is all apart, I'll show you how I fish the wires up. But yeah, if you're not comfortable doing this, obviously there's places like my place here where we can do this for you. There is a lot of wiring involved, but it's all plug and play. So if you think you can do it, try it. So right inside here, you see there's one, probably can't see it, but there's one there and one there. We're going to get those off, and then the same thing on that side, and then these lights come out. But it's an 8mm. So what we have to do now is to set up to put these lights in. So we have to, basically you're just feeding the wires through, and you're going to put this out of the way a little bit. I'm just going to tape it in place. That way we can work on these, and these wires are all the way through there, because we're going to make all the connections on the inside. Put that up, and now we can put it in. So now it's just a reverse order. I already put the tail lights in. We're going to put the top ones on. It's better to keep this all the way up. You just feed this down through, clips on this side and one bolt on the other side. And if you'd like to see this car in person, if you're in Mooresville, see how the lights work, the guy who owns this owns the Lake Norman Tire and Wheel over by Lake Norman High School. If you're looking for tire rotation or new tires for your Tesla, hit them up. You got some good deals. Plus they give these out as loaner cars. Alright, this is the fun slash hard part. You take a wire fish. Right now I've just used 14 gauge wire for your house or anything. So, and then I put a loop on this end, grab the wire that's going to the driver's side, and just taped it in place. So I've also taken some spray wax and put it inside here. You gotta lube the hole before you jam it in. It just makes things go a lot easier. You gotta be careful not to pull too hard because there are some wires in here and sometimes you're caught in between them. And I like to run both of these through here because this is the hard part, and then we're going to feed them down through both sides here. But I like to run them both through this first instead of trying to feed it in through there. It just makes things more complicated. It's easier just to move this aside and throw it in there and get it through there. Once you got the one wire in, you got to reload and try again. You know, a lot of people don't have the stamina to go a second time, but this takes, both cables have to go through this hole. So you got to make it work. I want to add that HANSSHOW did send these out for a video, but they have no say in what I say, so they're not held liable for what I say. My bad humor or good humor, depends on who you are. But either way, we got it in. So now all I have to do is take the left side and right side. The wires are labeled. One's longer than the other one, so the longer one goes to the driver's side. You have to feed it inside underneath here and bring it to here, and then feed it up and connect all these wires together. There's great directions inside the box. Use my code I1Tesla, save a ton of money off of this if you want to make your older Model Y look like the new Model Y. That way you don't take a big depreciation hit and get the new one. Even though there's good financing right now, keep your car. Why not? Make it look new. Wrap it. Make it look a different color. It's like a brand new car at that point. So I'm going to feed all these wires through, connect everything up, and then I'll show you what this looks like. So before we stick this down, I got everything hooked up. It's easy. Black connectors go to black connectors, white connectors go to white. I'm going to hit the brakes and see what this looks like. Lights on. That's what's going to happen at nighttime when you get in the car. Now you just got to fasten everything together. So if you want those or anything for your car, use my link down below. Use the code. Save tons of money using I1Tesla. And if you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself, let me know. We can install it, obviously for a fee. But thanks for watching. Enjoy the products. Enjoy everything about your car. Make it your own, make it unique, and have some fun with it. I'll catch you on the next one.